Battery charger. A battery charger recharges device that stores energy in a battery by running an electric current through it. The charging protocol, how much voltage or current for how long, and what to do when charging is complete depends on the size and type of the battery being charged. Some battery types have been high tolerance for overcharging. Continued charging after the battery has been fully charged and can be charged by connection to a constant voltage source or a constant current source depending on battery type. Simple chargers of this type must be manually disconnected at the end of the charger cycle. Other battery type use a timer to cut off when charging should be complete. Other battery type cannot withstand overcharging, becoming damage, reduced capacity, reduced lifetime, overheating, or even exploding. The charger may have temperature or voltage sensing circuits and a microprocessor controller to safety adjust the charging current and voltage, determine the state of charge, and cut off at the end of charge. Charger may elevate the output voltage proportionally with current to compensate for independence in the rise. A trickable charger provides a relatively small amount of current, only enough to counteract self-discharge of a battery that is idle for a long time. Some battery types cannot be tolerated. Trickle charging attempt to do so may result in damage. Batteries cannot handle indefinite trickle charging. Slow battery charges may take several hours to complete a charge. High rate charges may restore most capacity much faster, but high rate chargers cannot be more than battery types can tolerate. Such bat such batteries requires active monitoring of the battery to protect it from overcharging. Electric vehicles ideally need high rated chargers for public cases. Installation of such chargers and the distribution support for them is an issue in the proposed adoption of electric cars. Charger and discharge rates are often given as C or C rate, which is measure of the rate at charged or discharged current divided by the battery capacity to store an electrical charge. While rarely stated explicitly,